We are here with running the levels, looking for market structure and patterns. Okay, guys, we are marking up ROKU. Take a look at what's going on in the market. So look for the patterns in the market. Let's walk down the time frame. Starting off with the monthly, we're going to work our way as far as we can go, maybe down to 1 minute. Pattern sitting right in front of us. We have an M of that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Market came up to a high, spiked up once, spiked up twice, market pushed down. Inside this area, we got 2 spikes up. This side, we have 2 spikes up on this side. So we got a double top retest. Opposite side, double top is retest as well. Market pushed down to some type of retest area here, and then push down to another retest area here. So we got to be waiting for the market to see what it's going to do. Headed down to the weekly time frame. So identify patterns in the market. Overall pattern in the market. Push that market down to this area here. To price, we have a double top. We have that first leg coming up. So market push down for that second. Push right back up out of that second. To that third, market push down for that fourth. Got the retest in this area here. So we got a double top. Overall double top. Retest that area. Market drop down once. Okay. Also, there's patterns inside patterns, so we know the overall structure was that first leg of that M. Once that market came down to this area of support, we did receive that W, which would be first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. So once that market came down to the low, you would have seen this market coming back out of this area here because we would have seen that W forming. Okay, so once we start to see that W forming, we look at the retest. The market pushed up once, twice, so we got a double top here in that area and push that market right back down. So we also have areas here where market is at a major area of a support line. So market cannot break this. We got multiple touches in these areas. So what happened is market price breaks up, come back to return, breaks up, come back to return, breaks up, came back to return here twice. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and then after that it was gone. So overall structure, you can see market spike down here, connected dots, first leg, market came up back up to that high for that second, push down for that third, push down for that fourth, that's a W, retest, and market once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Once you got more than 4, you know you look into that pattern of exhaustion, see a pattern, and what we see is a W that pushed that market up to that high. Headed down to the daily. There's patterns all over this, so let's work our way backwards first. We got patterns all in this. So this pattern right here reminds me of the head and shoulders pattern. Okay, so think about it as having that first leg, market spikes up for that second leg, and then the opposite side would be here. And then we'll have a spike down at the bottom. So which is a triple bottom, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So that's the inverted head and shoulders pattern, and market pushed up. So let's see what's going on here. Break this chart down. High is high, low is low, midpoint. The price started off at a low, did some type of W multiple times, but sketch this in. First leg, second leg, third leg, market pushed up for that fourth leg. Came up to an area of that break and retest. So market broke the midpoint, came back to return, not once, but twice, which also created that pattern of the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, Market pushed up once, twice, 3 times. Market came down. Overall pattern at the high, triple top, 3 spikes up to the top. Market couldn't break. We received a retest, and the market came back down to that midpoint, created that double bottom again. Okay, so we had that first, second, third, fourth, followed up by a retest. Market pushed up once, twice, back up to the high of that area, and the market came back down. Very important information, guys. Please review and study Forex pattern cheat sheet. Click on images. Very important information, guys. Please review and study breakdown retest strategy. Click on images as well. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, running the levels. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. ROKU, stop.